If your child still has a cough weeks after a cold, that can be completely normal. After a viral infection, airways stay inflamed and sensitive. This is post-viral airway irritation. Even when the infection is gone, triggers like cold air, activity, or lying down can cause coughing. Children's smaller airways react more easily. Coughs can last 2 to 3 weeks or sometimes longer. A lingering cough doesn't always mean a new illness. The lungs just need time to fully recover.